1986. A killer has randomly planted deadly pills in several stores. After a national product recall of tens of thousands of bottles, police discover 5 are tainted with cyanide.
As I recall, there was, somewhere between 7 and 9 contaminated capsules in each of the bottles. So you could wipe out a family quite easily.
But incredibly, 2 of those 5 bottles were bought by the same person. The wife
Put another one,
of the
Pete.
victims, Stella Nichol.
The idea that she bought those 2 bottles at 2 different places was astronomical. It just didn't seem like that could make sense.
Statistically, the odds are almost impossible.
Put them in the fridge.
Police suspect Stella Nichol is somehow linked to the murders. They start digging into her past.
Stella was rough. She'd been raped. She had a baby at 14. She had a mother that had 7 husbands. She had a brother who was murdered in their house. I mean, she had everything bad that you can have happen to a person.
The indiscriminate poisoning of random shoppers suggests the